After coming close for 2 consecutive seasons, the management of Waterhouse FC, well, they're hoping this will be the year they claim another National Premier League title. Now, in fact, that will be next year. The new season of the nation's top flight begins in September. Speaking in an interview with TVJ Sports following a presentation at the Seawood Primary and Infant School, where he's been chairman for over 30 years, Waterhouse President Bruce Bicknell revealed that the club will be sticking with the same management and coaching staff that took them to last season's final. But he says more resources will be pumped into the team.
2 years in a row Waterhouse Football Club has come second, and we're going to put in even more energy and finances into the program this year, so hopefully this is going to be our year to win. Well, there'll definitely be an incentive program for the players in place, and hopefully that will motivate them to play well and, treat the club with the respect it deserves.
And Bicknell says the club is still smarting from last year's ugly scenes at the Premier League final, but says steps have been taken to ensure there's no repeat.
I'm not saying it's right, it's definitely not, but we learn from it, and this season the community will be back in the club once again in a more disciplined approach, and hopefully the community and the football club will benefit next year as well.
The Tankwell mogul also pointed to the importance of football in communities such as Druseland.
Once a club does well, the crowd shows up in their thousands, and the bad guys make peace to go to the game together. You see, just visualize it. So, football as a sport is huge in, creating peace in communities around the world, not just Waterhouse.